Muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating last game sa araw na ito. This is the battle between the same team, Lourdes Mandaluyong versus De La Salle Green Hills. Ayan, shout out Noah Zamora. Ayan, get well soon, bro. Shoutout din pagkala Sir Anthony at sa family ng Cruz. Okay, tayo magsisimula na sa ating last game. Happy blessed afternoon po sa lahat na nanonood natin live. This is the 2013 division na ating Paya League 2026. This is the battle between La Salle Green Hills versus the Lourdes School, Mandaluyong. Good luck. Okay, let the battle begin. First ball makuha ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Steal by Cruz. Outlet pass. Ojeda. And first basket para kay Ojeda. Number 7. Pass to Liao. Liao gets a 3. No. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Hand off to Ojeda. Number 14. Ochoa. To Cruz. Back to Ojeda. Oopsie. 24-second shot clock violation. Bola ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Number 11. Running shot, wala. Rebound by Penkian to Ojeda. Ojeda to Cruz. Pass to Ochoa. And as may violation. Steal by Penkian. Naka-recover ang Lourdes. Kick out number 99. Running shot and score. Cruz Martires. Pull up. Oy, wala. Rebound. Cruz. Floater. Wala pa rin. Ayan na ang Lourdes outlet pass. Uy, and one. Nagpa-flex na si number 99. Change favor. Lamang na ang Lourdes ng dalawa. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Wala. Rebound by Penkian. Penkian to Cruz. Pass to Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Miggy. Miggy to Penkian at the post. Penkian. That's a foul. shots para kay Pencan. First shot, no good. Pencan miss. Rebound. Ayun na ang Lourdes. Number 7. Crossover. Nakalusot na naman ang Lourdes. (6-2) ang ating talaan. Cruz to Miggy. Oh, what a nice layup for Miggy. Another foul for LaSalle. Substitution, Oriel Marty coming in. Last 5 minutes. Number 11, he misses. Rebound by Miggy. Miggy out that pass. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Pencan. Pencan, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Number 11, out that pass. Number 7. Uy. Counted ba? Basket count. Ang tinawag na ating referee doon. For the shot for a 3-point play. He missed it. Rebound. Oh, short. Miggy for 3. Bang! 3-point for Miggy. Martires. Number 7 to number 11. Baba na lamang sa isang lamang ng Lourdes. Pass to number 5. Reverse layup. Miss it. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Wala rito ng LaSalle. Oriel. Pass to Cruz. Sergeant twin brother. 3. No. Oops. 3. That's a 3. Pushing foul. Number 9. Pencan. Number 7, short. Still. Here comes Miggy. Martires, derecho with a layup and score. Change favor, lamang na ang ating LaSalle Green Hills. Number 11. Munti ka na magawan. Number 7. That's a travel. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Oriel. Pass to Cruz. To Miggy. Backdoor pass. Cruz. Take a shot. No. Rebound by Miggy. Miggy using the board. No good. Cruz. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Liao. Liao. Number 7, no. Iba by Cruz to Oriel. Pass to Cruz. Number 34. That's a foul. Number 34, shooting for 2. That's Enocando. Basket. Enocando, uy! Nasa jump ball. Muntikan pa makita. Jump ball ang tawag natin, referee. Mapupunta sa Lourdes. Yaw. Bueno. Sulaw. Number 7 and 1. Ay, jersey number 7. Change favor. Correction. Tabla tayo. 10. Wala. Ay na ang Lasal. Aquazar, floater, wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Basket. Last 36 seconds. Marty, Oriel. Pass to Cruz. Aquazar, fake, stop and pop. Basket is good. Balik ang kalamangan sa Lasal. Yaw. Pass to number 7. Number 13. Steal by Marty. Oriel, derecho. Oh! Wow, no, wow. It's a buzzer beater layup for Marty Oriel. End of the first quarter, official score of 14-11 in favor of our LaSalle Green Hills. Okay, tayo dadama na sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang ng 3 ang ating LaSalle Green Hills. Second quarter. (14-11). Bola rito ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Correction, green ball. Marty. Alcazar to Cruz from the corner. No good. Enocando. Why miss it? Enocando. Ooh. There's a foul. Shooting for two by Enocando rather. First shot is good. Basket for Enocando. 16-11. Oh, steal by Cruz. Cruz spin. Pass to Marty. Pass to Enocando. Pass to Miggy. Bounce pass to Cruz. Cruz. Oy! Nilinis pa ang ring. Ay, Thiago Cruz. Here we go. Ayan na ang Las Lourdes. Number 7 na bitawan. Steal by Enocando. Pass to Cruz. Ayan naman sa Cruz. Fake. Using the glass. Again, the contact pero walang foul. Ang tinawag. 2011. Lumalaki na po ang ating kalamangan. Here comes La Lourdes. Naitawid ang bola. Ayan na, binigay sa gitna at naka-putback doon ang Lourdes. 2013. Yan ang division natin ngayon na naglalaro. Ayan na, si Miggy. Pass to Enocando. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Another jump ball from both team. Bola rito ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Time remaining 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Ayan na. Ang Lourdes, number 9, jump shot, he missed, rebound. Isa-save ni Cruz. Here comes Marty. Marty, Oriel, nagmamadali. Marty, pull up, rebound, Enocando. Steal. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Number 00. Pull up. Wala. Another passive rebound. Yo. Uy, iba sa foul. Mike Cruz. Timeout. Lourdes Mandaluyong. With the time remaining 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Yan, happy blessed po. Happy blessed Sunday sa ating mga nanonood na ating live. Sa mga kakatsunin lamang po, this is a 2013 under or 2013 year born ng ating Maya League or Brother League rather. Pull-up jumper, wala. Another shot and there's a foul. Two shots. First shot is good. Second shot, miss. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Lasal. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Marty. Pass to Cruz. To Enocando. Still. Enocando. Kick out. Acuzar for 3. 3-point for Acuzar. If I'm not mistaken, 23-14. Sidestep, wala. Rebound na ni Enocando. Pass to Cruz. Cruz to Pencan. Out of bound. Oh, correction. Sorry, sabi ko na nga ba, mali. Si Almiron po pala yun. Si number 67 ang naka 3-point. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Setting on the screen. Bounce pass. Fake. Kick out. Number 11. Sidestep. Nakalusot si number 11. 16-23 ang ating talan. Cruz. Pass to Almiron. Libre sa 3. Short. Rebound by Cruz ng kabila. Correction. Parang di ata si ano yun. Ayan na, number 11 na naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Uy! Steal by Marty. That's small and terrible. Ayan na, Cruz. Cruz running shot, using the board, and score. Time remaining 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Nasa corner. Spin move, Liao. Basket. (25-18). Marty. Pass to Almiron. Binigay. Pencan for 3. Wala. Rebound by Liao. Outlet pass. Here comes number 9. Time out. Correction, substitution lamang daw po. First shot is good. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, pass to Ojeda. Ojeda. Steal. Oh, nagagawan. Another jump ball from both team. Bola rito ng Lasal. Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound by Miggy for 3. No. What a save by Ojeda. Pasok sa maling tao nga lang. Uy, and a step in on the line. Green ball. Ojeda setting on the play. Pass to Almiron. To Cruz. Pinasa gitna. Pencan. Pencan. Pass to Ojeda. Using the glass. Miss. Rebound by Liao. Yao, Skrill. Uy. Ooh. Sa violation, bola rito mapupunta sa Lourdes, Mandaluyong. Pushing foul, number 1. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Over. Uy! Galing ka sa labas, boy. Di pwede daw. Sabi natin referee. Cruz. Spin. Pass to Miggy. Miggy. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay Almiron. Pass to Miggy. To Pencan, to Ojeda, catch and shoot. Oy, miss. Rebound. Makakuha ni Miggy. Miggy. Pass to Pencan. Pencan sa loob. Binalay, wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Ayan na si Liao. Liao. Uy. Another foul for LaSalle. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Time out. Lourdes, Mandaluyong. Yan natin ang huddle ng ating team. Yan, shoutout muli kay idol brother Noah Zamora. Yan. Get well soon, bro. Hindi siya muna makakalaro ngayon sa laban against Lourdes Mandaluyong. Yan, sa mga gusto pong mag-shoutout, comment down below lamang po. At sisikapin po natin mabasa po yan. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Bola ng Lourdes. Another foul for LaSalle. On the free throw area, Liao. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, nabitawan at nakuha rin. Napakaswerte na ni Cruz dito. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Nasa corner fake. Umatake, floater, yan. Ayan na, si Ojeda nagpapadali. Natamaan ng likod. Steal ng Lourdes. Number 11. Uy. Number 11, sidestep, walang tawag. And same ball. Time remaining, last 15 seconds ng ating first half. Bola na ng Lourdes. Bounce pass, steal. Makakuha ni Miggy. Martirez to Cruz. Cruz. Up and under. No. Rebound by number 7. 3, 2, 1. Uy, munti ka na. And that's the end of our first half. Fishes score 27-22 in favor of our LaSalle Green Hills. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating halftime. At for the meantime, magkakat muna tayo ng ating live to check our live game. And sa mga gusto pong mapanood ang replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, marami pong salamat. At magbabalik tayo para sa second half.